Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Mailchimp landing page templates for design, full guide step by step clearly. To download Mailchimp landing page templates for design, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Create button on the dashboard. Click the Create button and select Landing Page from the drop-down menu. Give your landing page a name in the designated field. Choose the audience you want to target for this landing page. Next, scroll down to select a template that suits your design needs. Click on the template to preview it. After reviewing, click the Select button to proceed. You will be directed to the content editor for your landing page. Here, you can customize your template as desired. Once you're satisfied with the design, click the Save button. To download the template, navigate to the Settings menu in the editor. Look for the Export option and click it. Select the format you wish to download, usually HTML or zip. Confirm your selection and wait for the download to begin. After downloading, locate the file in your computer's download folder. You can now open the template in your preferred design software. From here, make any additional edits or adjustments as needed. Your Mailchimp landing page template is now ready for use in your design projects. Remember to check Mailchimp's guidelines for any specific requirements related to using their templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.